Hello friends, welcome to Benchmark Boutique. I'm Cassandra and I'm happy to be crafting with you today. Our project today is this Abert Squirrel Holiday Crafting Critter. He is a fun little guy. He's got his crafting tools ready to go and he's got some holiday decorations that he wants to make. You can choose to add the optional hang tag to turn this into an ornament that you can display, or you can leave the hang tag off and have it as its own piece. This is a fun project. We're going to go through it step by step. Let's take a minute and cut out all of our materials with our electric cutting machines and then meet right here and we'll go over the assembly.
The first step to assembly is gluing the 3 layers, the top, the bottom, and the middle together. I'm going to put glue on the back of the gray and add it to the black. Next, I'm going to add glue to the ears to make sure that they are firmly attached, including the dark gray to the center of the front ear. Now, I am using a textured white cardstock to add a little bit of depth to my squirrel. You can use whatever works for yours. I just like the way it looked. Now, I'm going to take a white gel pen once I'm done fussing with it and draw some highlights in the eyes. I'm also, you can see here, doing the optional name tag for the Abert Squirrel. I am using a lint roller to transfer it so it does not tear the cardstock. Now we're assembling the cutting version of the paper craft tool, and I'm just gluing the greens together and then the little dial. And here I am using some craft tweezers because it's pretty delicate in tiny pieces. You can see I've kept them in my little dustpan to keep them organized. I'm using adhesive foam tape to add depth to the layer so it looks more round and dimensional. So I have the base layer, the middle layer, and then the top layer. This little blue thing you can see is just a recycle bin that I use to hold paper scraps that I intend to recycle when my project's done, making sure I add each piece. And I am using a pickup pencil tool to get some of the tiny pieces like the holly leaves and the berries onto the glue dots that I have put on there. And then I'm using my craft tweezers to carefully lift the squirrel's fingers and slide this under. And then I'm going to use my fine tip glue pen to press all of the fingers down and then let it dry in a piece of parchment paper with a heavy book on top. And then take the book out and start building the ornament.
I had such a fun time crafting with you today. I hope you did too. This is one of my favorite crafting projects. I love combining the whimsy of a crafting critter with a native critter to the United States. This is a fun guy. He likes to hang out in the pine trees. So enjoy your Abert squirrel with his fun little tufted ears and all the adventures that squirrels get up to. Happy crafting, and until we meet again next time, I'm Cassandra with Benchmark Boutique.